Okay, so these two are my school bags. This one for my weekdays and the other one for my weekend. So let's start with the bag raid. We'll start with this, my weekdays bag. So, and after this, my weekend bag. So this here is my weekdays bag and yung laman niya is wait lang. So yung laman niya is of course school supplies. Yan, so makikita nyo. Wait lang, ang hirap matanggal. Sheesh, my god, wag ka nang kumapit. Bibitaw lang din siya. So ayan, my notebooks. This my ano ba yun? My ball pen. Some clips na nakalimutan ko. And the others wala na. For dito, basura. Let's take that out. And this cologne, my perfume, and this another perfume. This one, another perfume, and this one, another perfume, syempre. Pero ubos na. Ay, hindi, alcohol pala to. So it's not a perfume. Tatlong perfumes. And then this one, mga takip ng alcohol, takip ng cologne or perfume, and takip nung naubos na perfume. Aside from that, wala na. Basura na lang. So this one yung laman. Okay, so let me arrange that. Okay, so here it is. From this bag, ito yung nagkasya. Tatlong perfume, isang alcohol, dalawang clips, and ball pen, and yung yellow pad ko, syempre, dalawang notebook, and my modules. So that's yung laman ng weekdays bag. So off to the weekend bag. Ginagamit ko to sa NSTP or something like my event. So ang laman niya is dito wala, and then dito wait lang. This here, ang laman niya is ano yan, basura. Again, maraming basura. So hindi na yan basura, syempre. This one's yan, basura. So tapon na natin yan. Yan, alisin natin yung excess na basura. This one is my correction tape. My perfume, again. Yung type ng perfume. And this one, my foundation powder. Yeah, foundation powder. This one, my liquid foundation. And this one, lip tint. Yung ball pen na nakuha ko kanina. Ay, hindi pala kanina. Nung Saturday. Yeah, so, dalawang ball pens na nakuha ko yan. And this one, my note. Diyan ako nag-take notes during NSTP. Konti lang kasi mga 3 araw lang din naman kami nakapagpasa ko ngayon. Tanggalin ko muna tong mga basura. And then, let's get to this. tiny yellow bag. Wait lang. Lang hirap magtanggal ng zipper. It's hard to unzip. Wait lang. Ayun, yan. There we go. So, ang laman niya is this highlighters, mga school supplies, and the USB. So, this highlighter, it have a kind of like sentimental value. This was the prize that I won nung senior high school ako kasi nagpaparecite kasi si sir and may prize. So, yeah, I won this. So, yun lang naman. It goes there. This one, my pencil goes there. Ito USB that I bring just for gusto ko lang. Just in case. And this one, my glue. Yeah, glue na parang chopstick. And this one, yung...
Okay, so let me just rearrange this. Okay, yan. So, here, makikita mo yung clones, alcohol, yung module ko, notebook, yung tiny notebook ko, and yung USB, may yellow pad, my pencils, highlighter, and school supplies, other school supplies, and may tiny bag. Tapos ito yung dalawang bag. This is the bag with the inside of my bag. So yeah, thank you.